Sun's barely up, kicking off the sheets, leaving comfort for the dusty streets. Pack the rations, fuel the beast, heading where the wild winds feast. Tearing down the rubber, feeling the thrill, chasing that glory over next sand hill. Engage the gears, let the four-wheel roll. We're hunting for the spot we've been waiting for, but the sand's got a grip and the wheels start to spin. 20,000 pounds, let the struggle begin. Buried to the axle in a pit of despair. The more we fight, the more we're stuck there. Yeah, we're digging deep, but we're going nowhere. Snap goes the rope, the winch starts to groan. The anchor's slipping in the danger zone. 6 hours of sweat, hands bleeding raw, fighting a battle with a desert's claw. Then a hiss in the dark, the tire pops the bead, draining the last bit of will that we need. So we light up a fire, roast a dog on a wire, finding a spark in the middle of the night. Midnight fever, brains on fire, Jackson pulleys lifting it higher, dreams of traction boards and makeshift schemes. That morning light breaks the fever dreams, but the desert laughed, tire number 2 is gone, left us broken at the break of dawn. Cause the sand's got a grip and the wheels start to spin. 20,000 pounds, let the struggle begin.